Okay, this is part 4 of lesson 3.4. This is the last little bit. We just have two more examples to look at. So it says Charles has $2,560 in his bank account and makes automatic $320 monthly payments on a utility bill. If he stops making deposits to that account, when would the automatic payments make the value of the account zero? So essentially what we're looking at is, what are these numbers telling us? Well, because we want to try to set this up in slope intercept format. Okay, and we want to figure out when this account is going to reach zero. Okay, so $320 a month, that means X is months. $320 a month is a rate, so that's going to be our slope. It's 320, and specifically it's going to be negative 320 because we're deducting money each time. And then what's the y-intercept? The y-intercept is the beginning amount of money in the account. Oh, forgot this should be x. There we go. So we've got negative 320x plus $2,560. So then the question is, when will the value of the account be zero? What does it mean for the account to be zero? That means y would have to equal 0. So we can simply put 0 in to the equation. 0 equals negative 320x plus $2,560. And so now we can go through and we can actually solve for x. So I'm going to subtract 2,560 from both sides and then divide it by 320, and we get that x equals 8 months. And that should be our time. Okay? All right. Last example. Says the Band Booster Club is selling t-shirts and blanket wraps to raise money for a trip. How many t-shirts and how many blanket wraps the club needs to sell to meet their funding goal of $1,200? T-shirts cost $15 each. Blankets cost $30 each. So A says, what is an algebraic expression for the funds raised from t-shirts? So X is going to equal t-shirts. Well, that algebraic expression would be 15x, right? 15 times the number they sell, that's how much they're making from t-shirts. What's the algebraic expression for the number of blankets? That would be 30y. Pretty simple. What is an algebraic expression for the total funds raised if we are selling both? 15x plus 30y. And then what is the equation if we need to raise $1,200? 15x plus 30y would equal $1,200. And so this is an equation that's in the standard form. But if we wanted, we could rearrange this equation to be in slope-intercept form or even point-slope form. And that concludes lesson 3.4.